A remote job seems like a dream. You can better balance your life and your work from wherever you want, and have more flexibility overall. But sometimes productivity can be an issue. Today, we will give you 10 productivity tips and hacks to get things done without being stressed or frustrated. Working in sprints can help you focus, prevent overwhelming and procrastination. This approach is based on the Pomodoro technique, where you pick a task and work on it for about 25 minutes. When the time is on, stop and take a 5 to 10 minute break. Then return to another work sprint. Here at Freelance Latin America, we encourage freelancers to take active pauses, where you do short exercises during the day to refresh the mind and body's energy. To keep a better track of your pauses, you can use a tool like Toggle, which measures how much time you work and on which tasks. One of the best productivity tips is to have a plan. You can set daily, weekly, and monthly goals. You don't have to be extremely rigid about them, because things can change and priorities can shift. But knowing what you have to do will help you target what really matters and focus on what needs to be done at the moment. In order to determine what you want to do, you need to learn how to prioritize. Take 3 tasks that, if you accomplish them today, will make you feel like you had a productive day. Try to do the most critical tasks at a time of the day when you have a higher energy level. To keep track of your priorities, you can use the Eisenhower matrix, where you list the things that you need to do, the things that you need to decide when to do, and the things that you can delegate, and the tasks that are not really important and you can eliminate. To keep track of your priorities, you can use Trello or the priority matrix tool. There's always a recurring task that we don't like doing so much. It may be writing an email, invoices, taxes, blog posting. This task can be simplified by creating a standard operating process or blueprint document where you list all you have to do, saving your hours of time and mental energy that you can spend doing something more productive. A lot of times, we procrastinate because there's always a tomorrow. We can do that later, you don't feel like doing that right now. But there's no worse feeling than having to admit to someone that you failed to go through with your plan. Find an accountability mate, someone who will hold you to your word, so you have commitment to them. Think about it as a positive social pressure. Build healthy habits. I know you've heard this one before, but a lot of times the commodities of freelancing can make us engage in unhealthy habits. The most important thing is that you need to sleep enough. Go to bed at the same time every day and set an alarm in the morning so you can accustom your body to your schedule. Also, avoid screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Don't drink alcohol and avoid caffeine late in the day. Socializing is an important non-work factor that can affect your productivity. If we isolate ourselves too much, it can affect our mood, our well-being, and yes, our productivity. Take some time to talk to a loved one. Go out and find something you enjoy. To disconnect and relax. Not everything is about work. If you like these productivity tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on all social media as Freelance Latin. Comment down below if you know another productivity tip for freelancers. See you in our next video.